Dear students, in this video we are going to see about the construction and the working principle of reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pump is also known as positive displacement pump because it discharges a definite quantity of fluid. It is often used where a small quantity of liquid is to handle and where delivery pressure is quite large. So there are different components will be in reciprocating pump. So this one is cylinder, and this is the suction pipe. This pipe is a suction pipe, and this one is delivery pipe. And this wall is the suction wall, and this is delivery wall. And these two are air vessels. And the distance between the center line of the cylinder and the sump is the suction head, will be termed as suction head, and from here to this point will be termed as delivery head. Okay, let us see the components. Cylinder. A cylinder in which piston is moving to and fro. The movement of the piston obtains by a connecting rod which connects the piston and crank. So this is a suction pipe in which the source of water connects the cylinder together. The suction pipe allows the water to flow in the cylinder. So next one is delivery pipe. After the process, the source of water leaves the cylinder and discharged through delivery pipe. Next, suction valve. In this valve, the flow of water enters from the suction pipe into the cylinder, and from here in the delivery valve case, the flow of water discharges from the cylinder into the delivery pipe. Air vessels. It is a closed chamber made up of cast iron having two ends. One end is open at its base through which the water flows into the vessel cylinder. The air vessels fitted to the suction pipe and the delivery pipe of this pump to get a uniform discharge. So the functions of air vessels, or the air vessels used to get the continuous flow of water at a uniform rate. To reduce the amount of work in overcoming the frictional resistance in the suction pipe and the delivery pipe, to run the pump at high speeds with separation. So let us see the working of a single acting reciprocating pump. In this pump, a cylinder in which a piston moves forward and backwards. The piston is reciprocating by means of a connecting rod. The connecting rod connects the piston and the rotating crank. The crank is rotating by means of an electric motor, which is not shown here actually. The suction and delivery pipes with the suction and delivery valves are arranged to the cylinder. As the crank rotates, during the first stroke of the piston, the water enters into the cylinder. In a suction stroke, the crank is rotating from 0 degree to 180 degree. The piston is moving towards right side to left, that is towards the right side of the cylinder. Due to this, the vacuum creates in the cylinder. This vacuum causes the suction valve to open and the water enters the cylinder. In the next stroke called delivery stroke, water leaves the cylinder. In the delivery stroke, the crank is rotating from 180 degree to 360 degree. The piston is moving from left to left of the cylinder. Due to this, the pressure of the liquid increases inside the cylinder. This pressure causes the suction valve to close. This is the suction valve to close, and the delivery valve to open. Then the water is forced in the delivery pipe and raised to the required height. So this is the working of a single acting reciprocating pump. This question may be asked in 5th unit in BCM in Anna University examinations. In that case, you have to draw this diagram, and you have to write the construction and what are the components associated with this, and you have to write the working principle briefly. Will, thank you.